Let's learn how to make the treble crochet together. Yarn over twice, that's 1, 2. Insert the hook into the stitch below. Catch the yarn and pull it through the stitch so that you can pull out a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna yarn over, pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through another 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And there you go. That's a treble crochet. Now let's do that one more time. Yarn over twice, 1 and 2. Insert the hook into the stitch below. Catch the yarn and pull it through the stitch and pull up a loop. We're gonna yarn over. We're gonna pull through 2 loops so that now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over again. Pull through another 2 loops, yarn over and pull the yarn through the last 2 loops on your hook, and there you go. You made a treble crochet.